Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm doing another vlog and I feel so exhausted because it's currently 7:52. If this will focus, probably not. 7:52. I have class at 8, so I'm gonna hop onto Zoom real quick. I might do that in bed, to be honest, because I'm just so lazy, but I actually feel a little more awake than I thought I would. Today's gonna be a really fun day though. I have so much to do. I'm getting my COVID vaccine. I also want to get a pedicure and go to Walgreens. So yeah, I just thought I'd start off the vlog early and I will go ahead and talk to you guys when I'm done with class. So I'm done with class and I really quickly just wanted to share with you guys some stuff that I picked up from Walgreens. So let's start off with the boring stuff. I got some Easter candy because it was on sale and I love Easter candy. Even though I'm trying to eat healthy, I'm trying to eat healthy from now on because your girl has just been eating so bad and not working out. So I feel like I should at least eat healthy, right? So I also got some exciting things which I'm really excited to show you guys. Don't mind my mess back there, but I got these new InStyle, well, I don't know if they're new, they're just new to me, these new InStyle fragrances. So this is what they look like. I saw them on Cameron's TikTok and she also like texted us about it. I actually am texting her now, so hey Cameron, love you girl. She like put me onto these and put everyone on her TikTok onto these. They're basically like perfumes, or like, this is an eau de toilette, I think that's how you say it, and they're like inspired, I don't know if it's gonna focus, let me see. So yeah, they're like inspired by different, what is it called, different perfumes, like specific perfumes. So this one is inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy. I got these at Walgreens for like $7. So let's just open it up. This is what they look like. Looks very sleek. It just kind of looks like a philosophy perfume, to be honest, in my opinion, but they smell identical. Like, my sister has Daisy by Marc Jacobs, the actual one, and I've always wanted it, but I never really got it because I'm just cheap, and it smells identical. I swear, you guys, for $7, this is amazing. It smells so freaking good. I also got another one that's inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's light blue, you guys can see. And I love Dolce & Gabbana perfumes. I don't have any, but I love smelling them when I go to like the stores. So this one's really cute. This one's just like blue, and this one smells very fresh. This one says it's a spray cologne. I thought Dolce & Gabbana's light blue was a perfume. Maybe this is a men's, but it smells really good. I don't think it's a men's, to be honest. It smells so amazing, you guys. Like, so fresh. Only thing with these is that I feel like they're not going to be as potent and like long lasting as a perfume, because this one says it's a toilette, or toilet, I don't know how to say that. So I feel like they're not going to be as long lasting, but they're definitely going to last you a while. I would say they're going to be, of course, a lot longer than a body mist, but these will probably last you like 7 hours, but it's just not going to be as strong, which I like. I don't like smelling super like in your face, so these are perfect for me. For $7, you cannot beat them, you guys. Like, so for $7, you cannot beat this. This is just such an amazing find. I really want to find the one that's a dupe for Black Opium by YSL. So yeah, shout out to my girl Cameron for putting me on to these, because I'm really excited to have these in my collection, and I know I'm going to use them a bunch. They're going to match so good with different fragrances that I have in my collection already, so I'm super excited. So that was my mini little haul for the day, and I have class in about 30 minutes, so I will talk to you guys when I'm done with class. Alright, so it's been a little while since I last talked to you guys. I was kind of in a rush because I was running late to get ready for my COVID vaccine, which is in 15 minutes, so I should probably go in there in about like 5 or 10. Just thought I'd update you guys. I'm gonna try to film it if they let me, but I also don't want them to feel uncomfortable. So yeah, I'm excited This is a little fun fact for you guys. I really like getting shots. I know that's super weird, but I like getting shots and stuff like that, so I'm not scared or anything. Yeah, I'm super excited. So I will update you guys either when I'm getting the vaccine or after, just to let you know how the pain was and how I'm feeling. So yeah. So I just got my vaccine, which is exciting. I got Pfizer, and honestly, you guys, the needle hurt more than a flu shot. Everyone, my sister was like, it doesn't hurt that bad, but it kind of did, honestly. It was like the most painful needle that I've had in a while. But now I think I want to go to Family Dollar because there's one really close to where I'm at right now, and I never come to this side of town. So why don't we go? Because you guys know I always like to include hygiene into my vlogs. So yeah. I'm at Family Dollar right now, and I think I'm gonna get this body wash. You guys know I'm starting to collect these Caress body washes. There's not too much here, honestly. Let me show you guys. So there's not too much here. Shelves are okay, but nothing that really catches my eyes. I already have this one. I got this one in Texas, so yeah. I thought this was lotion, but it's not. So I'm back home now, and I just got a package. This isn't a very exciting package though. This is my lab kit package for my microbiome lab. I was really freaking out because I went the past few days to go get this package at my mailing room, and they're like, it's not here, like it's not here, but UPS said that they delivered it. So I was really confused, and I was kind of freaking out because we only get one free voucher to get this kit. So I'm glad that they were able to find it. It was actually in like the fridge area. Okay, so here's a little unboxing of all of the stuff that I have. I gotta make sure everything's in here. Came with a bunch of bubble wrap. All right, so we have all of our things in here. Don't know exactly what all this is, but yeah, it has this in here. This is agar plates. Awesome. This one, it says to refrigerate upon arrival. Why don't I just keep it in here? Okay, so from Family Dollar, I just ended up getting a Diet Coke, 2 Cheez-Its, and some crackers, which you guys are sitting on right now, and some spray cheese. I know people think that's gross, but I love it. And of course, you guys saw I got my Caress Tahitian pomegranate and coconut milk body wash. I'm gonna collect these. So this one smells really good. I should do a pomegranate scented routine on TikTok, so definitely follow me on TikTok. I'll have my link or my name down below. So yeah, now it's currently 3 o'clock, 3:03 to be exact, and I think I'm just gonna chill for a little bit and then probably do some schoolwork in a bit. My arm is feeling a teeny bit sore, not gonna lie, but so far so good. I don't feel like any symptoms. I know you don't get like severe symptoms until the 2nd dose, which I get in about 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes because it's been a while since I've cleaned them and they're getting dirty, and I'm trying to clear up my acne, so I should probably clean my brushes. I'm gonna use my Dawn dish soap because it's antibacterial and it just works for me, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. So I just take the dish soap and some water, and I just start swirling it around in my brush, and you guys can see how dirty that is. That is disgusting. This one is my blush brush, so it's like usually pretty dirty, but yeah, this is how I do it. And then after it's done, I'll just wring it out and let it dry overnight, and it should be dry by the next morning. Wow, I really need to start cleaning my brushes more because look at how clean these look. They literally look so white. I mean, some of them are stained, but that's okay. So I'm glad that I got that done. And yeah, So I really quickly just want to show you guys my little like to-do list for today. I need to check some stuff up. So I just do it on Good Notes on my iPad, and this just works for me. So this is my daily one. So you guys can see it's for, whoops, I got the date wrong, but it's actually supposed to be the 7th. So here I'm just going to then go ahead and take my highlighter and highlight everything off. Let's choose a cuter color though. So let's do like a light purple. So I already did my class today. And then I did my other class. I did go to my COVID appointment. You guys saw that. Still need to do my pre-lab and study for my micro quiz. Did not film my hygiene favorites. I will go ahead and do that tomorrow. I did upload my vlog. I vlogged a little bit. I'm not going to do that yet. Grocery shopping, did not do that. I did call for my refill. And I picked up my package. And I didn't go to Dollar General, but I did go to Family Dollar and showed you guys. So I'm just going to cross that off. So I just have a few more things to do. I'll probably go grocery shopping tomorrow. So yeah. So I just finished doing my pre-lab, which is good. I'm glad I didn't wait, so I can cross that off in my to-do list. And I think I'm not going to study today. I think I'll just do it tomorrow before my lab. This is pretty much just our pre-lab for all of our lab classes. It's like busy work, so yeah. But like I said, this like assignment is just really like pointless and useless in my opinion. I feel like it's just honestly busy work that they just make us do. We don't really get anything out of it, at least I don't, because we're not doing this actual lab, we're just watching videos on it. But you know, that's okay. So now I can cross off doing my pre-lab on my little to-do list. I am not an organized person. I'm just gonna be really honest, you guys. Like, I'm not queen of organization. And I'm not always productive either. Like, I always get my stuff done, but I'm just not an organized person. I'm trying to be. So yeah, I just have a few things on my to-do list to add for tomorrow, which is study, and then I have lab at 4, and probably go grocery shopping because I should do that. So yeah. So I think these are the products I'm going to use today. I'm going to use this Caress Daily Silk body wash. I haven't tried it yet. This has white peach and orange blossom. And then I'm going to take my You're the One body scrub. These aren't super abrasive, so you can use these all the time. My new Hemp Sweet and Fruity body lotion, and my Horizon in the Bloom. So yeah, these are the products. I think they look really cute together. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm not really going to be doing anything super crazy. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I loved showing you guys my day. You guys know how much I love vlogging. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!